Today, we're diving into a question on every Apple lover's mind. Is it time to upgrade? Let's kick off with a quick check on your iPhone's mojo. If it's still delivering a smooth and snappy performance, handling your tasks without a hitch, your upgrade might be in the future, not today. Now, if you're a tech enthusiast who lives for the latest innovations, Apple's annual unveilings could be your golden ticket. New iPhones often bring game-changing features that could make your upgrade feel like a leap into the future. Software updates play a big role in your iPhone's longevity. While older models might continue to work, they could miss out on the latest apps and security enhancements. Keep an eye on the clock to avoid being left behind. Calling all photography lovers. If your iPhone has become your primary camera, consider upgrades that enhance your shooting capabilities. A better camera could be just the thing to take your photography to the next level. Of course, your personal circumstances matter. Upgrading is exciting, but it should also align with your budget and needs. If the new features significantly improve your daily life, it might be worth the investment. Before you hit that upgrade button, check for trade-in offers. Apple and carriers often sweeten the deal by giving you credit for your old device. It's a fantastic way to offset the cost of your new iPhone. In the end, the upgrade decision is all about timing and what suits your lifestyle. Ultimately, if you're on the fence, I suggest waiting an entire month post-release to see if an upgrade is to be desired. If you found our guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful tech content.